Hi everyone, let's see what they have given on the first question. In an election between three candidates, Arjun, Bhaskar and Sara contested. There are three candidates who contested an election, Arjun, Bhaskar and Sara, and Arjun got 50 percentage votes more than Sara. What is 50 percentage means? 1 by 2 only, right? See, understand the sentence here. Arjun got 50 percentage more than Sarah means if Sarah got 2 votes, Arjun got 1 vote more than. Means if I take the ratio of Arjun and Sarah, if Sarah got 2 votes, Arjun got 1 vote more means 3 is to 2. Next part, Sarah got 2 percentage votes less than Bhaskar. 2 percentage in the sense 2 by 100 only, right? Which is nothing but 1 by 50. Understand the sentence. Sarah got 2 percentage votes less than Bhaskar. That means if Bhaskar got 50 votes, Sarah got 1 vote less. If I take the ratio of Sarah and Bhaskar, that means if Bhaskar got 50 votes, Sarah got 1 vote less, which is 49. Now they said votes of Bhaskar and Sara is 196. Difference they given. They asked us to find a question. First we have to find the ratio of Arjun, Sara and Bhaskar. This can be done in two ways. One is normal method, like we know A is to S as 3 is to 2 and S is to B as 49 is to 50. We need to make the ratio of Sara equal. So we'll multiply 49 with 3 is to 2 and 2 with 49 is to 50. That means 49 is to 3 is to 2 and 2 into 49 is to 50. That is 49 3 is how much? 120 plus 27, 147 and 49 2 is 98. 49 2 is 98 and 250 is 100. So what is the ratio we got here? 147 is to 98 is to 100, or else I'll say and one more method. See here, if we have A is to S as 3 is to 2 and S is to B as 49 is to 50, what we want here? A is to S is to B. Observe here, for A ratio multiply the left side once. 49 3 is how much? 147. For S, cross multiply. 49 2 is how much? 98. For last Bhaskar, multiply right side once. 52 is 100. Same ratio, right? Okay, let's see the now question. They said difference between votes of Bhaskar and Sara is 1296. Difference between Bhaskar and Sara is 2 parts. Means if 2 parts is 1296, they asked us to find half of the difference between votes of Arjun and Bhaskar. Difference of Arjun and Bhaskar is 47. Half of it we need to say 47 by 2. See here, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16. So we need to find 47 by 2 into 648, which is 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. So we need to say the multiplication of 47 into 324. Now let us learn unit digit concept here. See, I get an answer like 4 sevens how much? 28. So I'll get an answer with unit digit 8, but I got options, 3 options with unit digit 8. Now let me find last 2 digits of my number. Means for last 2 digits of number, I need to multiply 2 digits or last 2 digits of every number. Means I need to find the multiplication of 47 into 24. See here, 24 sevens how much? 140 plus 28, 168. 16 carry forward, and 24 sevens how much? 24 fours how much? 80 plus 16, 96. 96 plus 16 how much? 112. So my answer last 2 digits are 2 and 8. Means 28 is my last 2 digits, which is option number 1. So let's see our next question. See this time and work question here. Here they have given A's efficiency is twice that of B's. Means there are two numbers A and B. efficiency ratio they have given. A's efficiency is twice that of, means if B's efficiency is 1, A is twice of that, means 2:1. And A can work only 8 hours a day, while B can work in 12 hours a day. A can finish a work in 12 days. We all know that work is equals to time into efficiency. Here time may be hours or days or both hours and days. When they have given hours and days, we will multiply both hours and days. Okay. Now see what they have given. A can finish a work in 12 days. Let's take work is same as work is equals to time taken by A how much? 12 days, and hours A can work for is 8 hours. This is total is time taken by A. Now into efficiency of A how much? 2, means this is the 12 into 8 into 2 is the work. Now they asked us to find the how many days B, means work is equals to 12 into 8 into 2 is equals to time taken by B. How many hours a B can work? 12 hours a day. 12 means with how many days? Let's take X, and this is time taken by B. And what is the efficiency here? B is 1. So simply X is equals to 12 cancel, 8 to 16. So B takes 16 days to complete the work. Let's see your next question. See this pipes question. This can be done in two ways. I'll tell you both the procedures. So, okay, let's see our first procedure here. An inlet pipe can fill an empty tank in 140 hours, while an outlet pipe drains a completely filled tank in 63 hours. Means here there is an inlet pipe. Okay, it can fill an empty tank in 140 hours, and there is an outlet pipe which is drains, so negative, completely fill the tank in 63 hours. This is time. Okay, if I find the time ratio, 720s, 7963. So if I take the efficiency ratio, it is 9:20, right? We know time is inversely proportional to efficiency. Now capacity, if I take the tank capacity here, what is the tank capacity here? Either 9 into 140 or 20 into 63. Either one is same, like time and work problems. Okay, so tank capacity is 9 into 140 liters. Okay, now understand the efficiency part here. Here inlet efficiency is 9, which means in 1 hour it can fill an empty tank 9 liters. So in 1 hour it can fill 9 liters. Understand the outlet one here. In 1 hour it can drain 20 liters from the tank. So in 1 hour it will fill 9 liters. In 1 hour it will drain 20 liters. Okay, now understand next part of the question. If 8 inlet pipes and Y outlet pipes are opened simultaneously, when the tank is empty, the tank gets completely filled in 105 hours. What is the tank capacity? 9 into 140 liters. This 9 into 140 liters is filled in 105 hours by 8 inlet pipes and Y outlet pipes. See, in 105 hours, 9 into 140 liters is filled. So in 1 hour, how many liters it is filled? Simply 9 into 140 by 105, right? See here, 7 ones, 7 fives, 7 20s, 5 fours, 5 threes, 3 threes, 3 fours, 12. Means in 1 hour, 8 inlet pipes, Y outlet pipes opened simultaneously can fill 12 liters. Okay. Now we know that work is equals to time into efficiency. Okay, what is the total work here in 1 hour? This is everything in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour 12 liters. This is the work. Time 1 hour. Efficiency, see here efficiency, one inlet pipe it can fill 9 liters. There are 8 inlet pipes, so 8 into 9 plus one outlet pipe can drain 20 liters. So there are Y outlets, so Y into minus 20. That's all. 12 is equals to 8 9s are 72 minus 20y, which implies 20y is equals to 72 minus 12 60, y is equals to 3. So answer is option number 3. Now let's see the second procedure of the same question. Okay, see here, same question, second procedure. An inlet pipe can fill an empty tank in 140 hours. Means here there is an inlet pipe, it can fill an empty tank in 140 hours. Okay, in one, let's take, there is a tank here. Okay, I assumed this complete tank capacity has one part. Means this complete tank I assumed as in one part. Means an inlet pipe can fill this one part, means complete tank, in 140 hours. So in 1 hour, how many parts it will fill? Total tank capacity I assumed as one part. So inlet pipe can fill this total one part in 140 liters, means in 140 hours. So in 1 hour it can fill 1 by 140 part only, right? Understand the concept? This complete tank I assumed as one part. So this inlet pipe can fill this complete one part tank in 140 hours. So in 1 hour 1 by 140 part. Okay. Now while an outlet pipe drains completely filled tank in 63 hours. Same. There is an outlet tap. It can drain this complete one part tank in 63 hours. So in 63 hours this complete can be drained in 63 hours by an outlet pipe. Say if 63 hours it can drain this complete tank which I assumed as one part, in 1 hour how much it can drain? 1 by 63 only, negative. So got it? Okay, remember this and remember this. Now if 8 inlet pipes, Y outlet pipes are opened simultaneously when the tank of empty is empty and the tank gets completely filled in 105 hours. See, what is this 105 hours? This 105 hours is, this is the time taken by 8 inlet pipes and Y outlet pipes to fill this tank which I assumed as one part. Understand? 105 time is taken by the 8 inlet pipes and Y outlet pipes worked simultaneously to fill this tank which I assumed as one part. So in 1 hour how much parts it will fill? 1 by 105 only, right? You got it? Now see, in 1 hour inlet pipe can fill 1 by 140. 8 inlet pipes in 1 hour it can fill 8 by 140 only, right? One inlet 1 hour 1 by 140. 8 inlets 1 hour 8 by 140 plus 1 hour 1 outlet minus 1 by 63, but there are Y outlets. This can be done in 1 hour is 1 by 105. This is only 1 hour. In 1 hour all the outlets Y outlet pipes can be done. 1 hour is 1 by 105 part only. Now see, 8 by 140 minus Y by 63 is equals to 1 by 103. See, 7 20s, 7 9s, 7 15s, 4 2s, 4 5s. So which implies Y by 9 is equals to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 15, which implies LCM is 15. 5 3s, 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is equals to Y by 9. So 3 3s, 3 5s, 6 minus 1 5, 5 5 cancel. So Y is equals to 3, which is option number 3. Let's see our next question. See this question here. Here what they have given, AB is the diameter of a circle with center O. So let us suppose this is a circle and AB is a diameter in it, okay, A and B, and with center O, okay, with center O, and B is a point on it, means B is a point on the circle. If angle AOP is 90 degrees, 90 degrees means, so let's suppose this is 90 degrees, so a little bit more here. So here let's suppose here there is P here, P, they have given angle AOP, this angle 95 degrees. They asked us to find angle OBP, OB, if I join P and B here, if I join P and B, they asked us to find this angle. So see here, if this angle is 95 degrees, what is this angle, how much? We know complete angle is 180 degrees, right? So if this is 95 degrees, how much this part 85 degrees only, right? Now see, if I take the triangle separately, this is O, this is P and this is B. Here we got the angle 85 degrees and they asked us to find this angle. If you observe the triangle here, what is OB here? Radius. What is OP here? Radius. So if this is radius and this is radius, this triangle is isosceles triangle, right? Angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. We know that in the isosceles triangles, angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So if this is theta, this is also theta. We know that in triangle sum of all angles is 180 degrees. So 85 plus theta 2 theta, which is 180 degrees. So 2 theta is equals to 180 minus 85, 95 degrees, and theta is equals to 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, and 2 5s are 10 degrees. So 47.5, which is option number 3. Let's see our next question. See this question here. Here they have given A and B have some toffees. Let's say for example there are two people, A and B. A has X number of toffees and B has Y number of toffees. If A gives one toffee to B, if A gives one toffee, then A is with his one less toffee and B with his one more toffee. If when this happened, they have equal number of toffee. That means X minus 1 is equals to Y plus 1. From this we can get X is equals to Y plus 2. Okay. Let's see next. If B gives one coffee to A, if B gives one toffee, then X will be with one more toffee and B will be one less toffee. When this happened, the toffees of A are double with B, means the number of toffees of A is equals to twice the number of toffees of B. So before we have X is equals to Y plus 2, substitute here Y plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 2Y minus 2. From this Y comes here and 2 comes here, so Y is equals to 2 plus 1, which is 5. If Y is 2, automatically X is equals to 7. What they have asked here, total number of toffees of with A and B, 7 plus 5, 12, which is option number 2. Let's see our next question. So that's all for the quant section, guys, and this is a very good question from the reasoning section. I really like this question and I can bet that most people can't get the pattern by the very first look. And please do like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and your support means a lot to me, and I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Love you guys.